In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix AttackShark X11 device sleep. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Device sleep seems to be a very common occurrence with a lot of the AttackShark mice. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix it for the X11 specifically, but you should be able to follow along with any other AttackShark mouse. So this usually happens when you try to connect it over the 2.4G mode, which is a wireless connection type using the dongle. So in order to fix this, first unplug the mouse from your PC. So if the dongle is currently being used, remove it from the PC. Once the dongle has been removed, you will have to do this process by using the mode switch button. As the name suggests, this button allows you to switch between all of the different connection modes, which for the X11 are going to be a wired connection, Bluetooth, or of course 2.4G. So what you have to do is look for the 2.4G LED, so this one here in red, and you have to press and hold this button until you see it blinking rapidly. So look for the 2.4G LED blinking rapidly. If it is blinking slowly, keep holding the button until it blinks faster. With this done, once it is blinking, then you can go ahead and re-plug the dongle into the PC. So either plug it into the PC or this little hub, it doesn't matter. So see if it works now after you toggle the mode switch option, and if it does, then the device sleep message will go away on the software. If it is still giving you trouble, try more basic troubleshooting steps. For example, reinstall the AttackShark software, so download the latest version, uninstall the old one that you have and run the installer again. Restart your PC, try a different USB port, and make sure that the X11 was successfully charged. I recommend leaving it to charge to full before you attempt connecting it again. And before I end this video, I want to highlight something I've noticed in the channel metrics. 83% of you are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel bring you the highest quality videos with the best solutions possible. So I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.